In this video, we're going to talk about 2 different ways that you can make ice cream. Now, I have another video out here. There's a screenshot of it. Making ice cream with dry ice. And in this version, we recommended taking dry ice, adding it directly to a sugar and milk mixture, and stirring, and getting your ice cream. And that does work. You're welcome to go try it. My kids, however, did not care for this method because you are essentially carbonating your milk. And your ice cream comes out tasting kind of seltzery because you're making carbonated milk essentially, and it takes on a little bit of a flavor. So here's another way to make ice cream. If you've got extra dry ice like I do right now, here's a way that you can make some ice cream without taking on that carbonated taste. So what we recommend is just getting a zipper top bag. All right, fill it up. Well, don't fill it up. That's up to you how much you put. But put some milk in it. That's your choice how much. And then don't forget the sugar, right? Because milk on its own is not all that sweet. And then we've got our extra dry ice in here. We did experiments at school today involving dry ice. I actually made a video on it a few minutes ago. So we added food coloring to ours. And this is what it looks like after 5 minutes in there. So you want to take it out and give it a stir every 5 minutes or so. This one actually, because it was more buried, looks pretty much ready to go. And then here's a pink one. All right, so this is just sugar, milk, and we shoved it down in the dry ice, and we added food coloring for fun. All right, so one of the things you can play with, those of you in high school, colligative properties. Right? This would be a fun demonstration on colligative properties. The more sugar you dissolve, the longer it's going to take to freeze. So you could actually, with your high school chemistry students, you could do different proportions, maybe put 1/2 cup of sugar in the red one, and a full cup of sugar in the blue one, and 2 cups of sugar in the green one, and time how long it takes them to freeze. Right? That's a demonstration on colligative properties. So that's one way to use up your extra dry ice. Another way that you can make ice cream, and I used to do this with my high school chemistry students as well, is you can get yourself just regular old ice from my freezer here, still get your zipper top bag, and still put your milk and your sugar in it. And what you want to do this time is put a little bit of salt inside the ice, and then take your mixture, put it on top, cover it, and then shake. And the amount of salt that you have in here affects how quickly your ice cream is formed. When I was teaching high school chemistry, every time everybody on the test got a B or better, this was our reward. We made ice cream. So the amount of the amount of salt that you have in the ice will affect how quickly your ice cream mixture freezes. So these are 2 ways that you can make ice cream that do not involve carbonation, right? My students and my kids didn't really care for this method. It's yummy. I thought it tasted good, but my children didn't care for it so much. So method number 1, use up your old dry ice. Method number 2, just use some regular water ice. And I hope you guys have fun trying out these different ice cream experiments. I'll get another shot here for you. Couldn't get it open. I hope you guys enjoy making ice cream with your old dry ice, and thanks for watching our video.
Please subscribe Mommy channel today. Mommy, thanks for watching this video.
Bye.
Bye.